To set up a machine from one workpiece to the other takes a lot of time. And I think that is the most important benefit of EWS.Varia, because you can change it very quick and very safe. And this is with a one-hand operation. You can prepare tool inserts for the next operation. You can change it within 20 seconds, and so your downtime of the machine is reduced to a minimum. My name is Matthias Weigele. I'm the CEO of the EWS Group. EWS was founded in the year 1960, and we are producing tool holders and tool holder systems for CNC lathes. Our core focus is on quick change systems like EWS.Varia, but we also provide different tooling for BMT, for VDI, for HSK, whatever is the demand of our customers. We are on the EMO show in Hall 4, booth number F11. We are glad to welcome you at our booth. Please visit us.